In this training module, you will learn how to approach a scenario where a patient requires assistance being transported around using patient hoist equipment. Reminder to inform the patient when conscious and aware of their surroundings about the procedure, and ask for consent before going further with the procedure. Reminder to always adjust the bed height to prevent development of work injuries and make the procedure easier. Aim your controller at the bed and squeeze your index finger button to adjust the bed height. This is a patient lifting sling, used in combination with a patient hoist equipment to move patient around. It's important to stretch it out fully underneath the patient to prevent pinch points during the hoist. Reminder to put the sling in the correct orientation, as shown in the picture. In this scenario, you'll be rolling the patient onto their side. Make sure to always support them during the procedure. Hold them and block the sides to reduce the risk of them rolling off the bed. Remember to comfort and support them during the roll. Aim your controller at the patient and squeeze your index finger button to roll them towards you. With the sling now in place underneath the patient, we're ready to roll them back. Aim your controller at the patient and squeeze your index finger button to roll them onto their back. Your assistant goes to fetch the patient hoist equipment. Wait for them to return. Adjust the orientation of the lift so the two prongs point in the direction of the patient's torso. Aim your controller at the lift and squeeze your index. With the lift now in place, you're ready to adjust the bed. Aim your controller at the top part of the bed. Attach all 4 buckles to the lift. Make sure they are safely attached and won't fall off. Aim your controller. We're now going to hoist the patient up. Make sure that they are aware you're about to carry out the hoist. Aim your controller at the lift and your assistant is moving the patient. Wait for them to call for you. Your assistant lets you know the patient is ready to be seated. Turn around and push your thumbstick towards to aim at a destination, release it to teleport. Use this teleportation function to move towards the patient. Your patient is ready to be seated. Aim your controller at the lift and squeeze your index finger button to seat the touchdown. Your patient is now safely planted in the chair. Remove the hoist cloth from underneath the patient to provide them with more comfort. Aim your controller at the hoist cloth. Good job. You've successfully transported a bedridden patient from their bed in a secure manner, using the appropriate procedure and equipment. You may repeat the exercise by aiming your right hand on your left wrist. Use your index finger to click and select restart for additional